7 Roles and Responsibility of Students in School. Welcome to MySchoolr, your friend in education. Being a teacher, teachers have to play multiple roles and handle multiple responsibilities. But even if you are a student, there are some roles and responsibilities that every student should conduct. Here are 6 things every student should follow. Number 1. Meeting academic expectations. Developing a creative learning environment while displaying values of teamwork and unity are some of the values required to meet the academic expectations of students. Number 2. Being respectful and punctual. By being respectful, students contribute to a healthy learning environment and less distractions and in disciplinary actions. They are also supposed to be punctual. Number 3. Best behavior. Students must bring values like politeness, kindness, compassion, generosity, sympathy and respect among themselves. Number 4. Showing respect to teachers. Students should behave respectfully and obediently with their teachers and other members. Number 5. Keeping school neat and clean. Students should always maintain cleanliness with their books, classroom, school, home, and bedroom. Number 6. Do the assigned work on time. There is well-known saying, finish tomorrow's task today, and today's tasks right now. So MySchoolrs, what do you think? What are other roles and responsibilities every student should follow? Let us know in the comment section.